If you are only doing your pelvic floor strengthening or rehab or preventative work in line, this video is for you. My name is Sarah Thorne. I'm a women's pelvic health specialist physio and exercise PT. And I'm here to tell you that whilst doing Kegels in line is a great place to start, we need to get you doing more intensive pelvic floor training. The reason why is because most of us who experience symptoms like prolapse or incontinence or pelvic pain do so when we are up, when we are active, when we are doing activities like lifting or exercise. So just like any other form of muscle training, we must create adaptation, we must add load, and we must challenge your environment to create a stronger pelvic floor and a stronger body in general. I want you to see and know what area we're working on, because so many women don't. I didn't, which is now why I work in this field. So if you imagine this is your pelvis, as you look down, you can see along the base of your pelvis sits your pelvic floor. So all of this area of red. If I turn it upside down, you can see we have your back passage and your front passage. And all of this area of red, these are your pelvic floor muscles. They are a group of muscles and they have so many important jobs. One is to protect the pelvic organs that sit on top. Two is to work as part of a team with your tummy muscles, your diaphragm, your back, your glutes. Three is to a really important role in sexual function. Four is another really important role at shock absorption when we are active. And five is helping our bladder and bowel. So it's really important, especially if we ever have symptoms, that we are working to take care of our pelvic floor health. I'm using the analogy of a blueberry. Imagine there is a blueberry right at the front and at the back opening. You are going to gently contract and lift that blueberry up towards your head with control, then you're going to release it. And you are also going to work to be able to lift and hold for up to 10 seconds. Practice these if you have no symptoms 2 to 3 times a week. You can also include them into other exercises that you would generally do in the gym. If you have symptoms, I always advise go and see a pelvic health physio. Don't neglect your pelvic floor. It is so important. It's a crucial area of our body. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe for all things pelvic health and exercise. And if you have any questions, add them into the comments.